Mbokazi as a midfielder. He's going to have a go! Mbokazi scores a blinder! Welcome back home! Welcome back with a banger! Cape Town erupts! Truly beyond his years. A young legend stands before us, I tell you. He has scored a cracker before for Orlando Pirates. That one was a little bit further back. But this one, Mbekezeli Mbokazi stayed there, knew the ball would be recycled, shifted it, and decided, have some of that. Mshishi to Mbokazi, 1-1, just like it was in Durban, and you are not stopping that. That is Chicago fire. And Bafana, brilliance from Mbekezeli Scott.